about some how can we create the forms and everything. Okay, dictionary override. So yesterday's class, any doubts are there? No. What is meant by dictionary override, Farhan?
I'm sorry?
What is meant by dictionary override?
What is a dictionary override?
Yeah.
It is considered as whatever is in the parent table, same thing will be replicated to the child table as well.
Okay.
By using dictionary override, we can restrict the particular child tables.
Okay, fine. Bharati, so what are types of reference qualifiers?
Sir.
For dependent values. Okay, so just you can go for the some system table. See here. So cities dependent on the state. When I select the state is Telangana, I need to display the related cities only. Okay. Okay. Suppose when the state is some Tamil Nadu, I need to display the related cities only. Okay. Means one field is dependent on another field. That is the thing we can discuss about the dictionary override. Sorry, dependent values. So how can we set up dependent values means? So first of all, we can take the dependent field. See here, city is dependent on the state rights. State is dependent on the country generally. So first we can make city as a, first I'm making as a, entering the duplicate record as well. Okay. So first we can make the city as a configure dictionary.
Pandu?
Yes.
Why you make it as a duplicate?
I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell you, man.
Okay, thank you.
Don't bother about the things, okay? Next, click as advanced review. Just I open the duplicate record. I will tell you why I need check with this state backend values as well. Next, click as advanced review. Because advanced review. Next, here dependent field is there, right? Click on the dependent field. Enable use dependent field. Dependent on which field? So this is the state. Sorry, this is the city. I make a dictionary as a city. City is dependent on which field? City is dependent on state. Just you select the field as a state. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Now come down. Go for the choices. Okay. Here, these choices are belongs to city field. Okay. City is dependent on the state, right? Come the dependent value. Here we need to give the state values. See, Warangal is belongs to Telangana state. Vizag is belongs to Andhra Pradesh state. So here we need to give the state values. Okay. Now open this duplicate record. Go for the state. Go for the check the values purpose. I'm open this record. So go to configure dictionary and come down. Check the state values. Okay, we need to consider as a values. Again, I'm telling these values should be integers or some special characters or uppercase letters, lower anything. Value should be considered, guys. Okay. Suppose right now Telangana label is Telangana is there. Value you can give 1. This one you can give 2. Okay. So this one you keep same thing Kerala. This one you can keep Karnataka. Nothing will be there. Value you can consider anything. Back end value. Okay. For simple purpose you can give means 1 to 3 like this. You can give, nothing will be there. Okay. So now here we need to copy these values. So Telangana is Warangal is belongs to
2.
So what is the value of Telangana? 1. So just you can give the 1. Okay. So Vizag is belongs to Andhra Pradesh state, right? So what is the value of Andhra Pradesh here? Andhra Pradesh is the Andhra Pradesh only is there. Copy. Copy here. Kadapa is belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Copy here. Hyderabad belongs to Telangana. So give the value. That's it. And Chennai is belongs to
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Give the 2. Bangalore is belongs to Karnataka. Okay, that's it. Copy the values and can save or update or anything. Okay. Now go for here. Actually, sales insurance and click as a new. See, state is default value. Just you can select the C. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, now see, Vizag Kadapa is getting, and see, Hyderabad Warangal is getting. See, only Chennai only is getting, and only Karnataka only is getting, and some Kerala is only getting. So why the Kerala is not getting? We gave or not. So I think for Kerala,
We
so we
didn't
didn't
assign
create the
anything.
city. Yeah, and we didn't create the city as well for Kerala. You can observe the dictionary word, right? So related Kerala, nothing is there. Go for the dictionary. See here, related Kerala, nothing cities is there. Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. If you want, we can create the new one. Just go for the choices. So Cochin. So different value. Here only can give the different value. So what is the Kerala different value should be Kerala only. Copy. Okay. Give the different value. That's it. Cochin. Okay. So like this way, by using dependent values, so we can get the particular values only. This is the dependent values, dependent fields. Okay. So understand, guys? You can practice the same level. If you want to change means you can use the country or state. You can go for the state, city, or you need to consider 3 fields country, state, city. Suppose country should be India, state should be Andhra Pradesh. I need display city as a Vizag. Suppose country should be some USA, some state is some California, or city should be, you can give some direct California city. So can go for the three values means first you need to do the from state to country, next is city to state. Okay, two different values need to do for three fields means. Okay.
So Pando, this will reflect in child table as well, right?
Yeah, obviously. Whatever by using dictionary, it is reflected to child table as well. So
Yeah.
without reflecting anything means we can go for dictionary override. Or I need only for the particular table means we can go with some other client side level.
Okay.
See, this is the life insurance policy, Kerala. See, everything is displaying here. This is the okay. In this way, okay. So we can use the different values. Okay. So clear, guys? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. So done. Okay. Now put the heading as a data lookup rules. Data lookup rules. Data lookup rules. There are two types of data lookups. There are two types of data lookups. First one, assignment lookup rule. Assignment lookup rule. Assignment lookup rule and priority lookup rule. And priority lookup rule. Okay. So write down this definition. Just you can write this line. Then we can go with assignment lookup rule and data lookup, priority lookup rules. Next, go with the assignment lookup rules. So write down this one. Put the ring as the assignment lookup rules. Assignment lookup rules. So write down this one. Assignment lookup rules. Assignment lookup rules. You can write down this one. Note is there, right? You can write down this one. This is the explanation about the assignment lookup rules. I will explain it clearly. Priority lookup rules. Put that in as a priority lookup rules. Priority lookup rules. Okay, so write down this one. So assignment lookup rules means can take any incident, problem, change, anything. Okay, definitely we need to assign particular group. Okay, how can we assign this incident as a particular group? Based on our category and subcategory. So how can we select the category and subcategory? Based on our issue. Suppose I am facing hardware issue. Okay, I will select the category as a hardware. I will select, I'm facing some network issue. I will select the category as a network. So whenever I select the, I'm facing network issue, definitely I need to approach the network department. Correct? Okay. Suppose I'm facing some any voice issue. Okay, my software, my software issue, I need to install software. Or so my Servicenow software is not working, or some my Java software is not working, and my Oracle software is not working, my Outlook is not working. Okay, so these things I will approach the software department. Okay, suppose here any small organization is there means, so I know. Okay, so which department I need to raise the ticket. We can go some big organizations like TCS, CTS, Wipro, Infosys. So these are the multinational companies. These are some big organizations. So how can we know which department I need to raise the ticket? Okay, so we only Servicenow people only need to develop this activity. The end users means people who are using the Servicenow ticketing tool in our organization. Those people we can call as the end users. Okay, the end users, suppose he can select the software and subcategory as something, can OS means automatically here assignment group needs to populate here. See, software. It is getting. Suppose I will go for the hardware. Okay, and keyboard means see automatically needs to populate the hardware here. Okay, so like the selection of category and subcategory needs to auto populate the assignment group here. Not only a category subcategory, we can use the service or configuration item or location, anything. Okay, by selection of these values needs to auto populate the assignment group. Then customer, so no need to search the exact assignment group. Okay, so this is where we can use for the assignment lookup rules. How can we create the assignment lookup rules? Means type left navigation as the assignment lookup rules. Okay, so here hard software category. So these two I already created for the previous batch. We can go for the new one. So category as a, I go with network, and if you want to give means you can give the subcategory. So subcategory and go with the VPN or IP address. Okay, if you want to give configuration, you can give a location, you can give anything. No, this one you can give the assignment group. Suppose network department will approach the network department, obviously. So cab manager is there, network is there. I'm giving you the network. If you want to give assigned to 2 minutes, you can give the assigned to a particular person. Otherwise, the assignment group people will assign the ticket. Any other one. Submit it. Okay. You can create another one. Database. If you want once, you can give the MS SQL server, and assignment group should be database. These small concepts only, guys. Okay. So next you can go with.
So my question is, how can we add multiple subcategories under the category?
Yeah, we can go add the choice values,
Okay, got it.
configure choices.
Okay,
Otherwise, suppose 1 or 2 values. 1 second. See, 1 or 2 values means you can add here using the configure choices, or go for the dictionary. You can create the choices. Okay. Suppose 100 or 200 is there, means how can we add 100? Suppose here I need to add 100 choices. Okay. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5 means we can go for the simply go for the configure choices. You can add it here. Okay, you can go for here and you can add it here. Suppose 50 or 100 is there, means how can we add here? How can we add means we can take the data into Excel sheet. That data we need to import to the Servicenow by using import set concept. Okay, it will come the next forward classes. Okay, just we can import the Excel sheet to Servicenow table means automatically the drop downs values will be shown here. Okay,
yeah.
so not only this drop down values, any values you can import from Excel sheet to the Servicenow. That is the concept of import sets here. Okay, that is some another different topic we can discuss later. Next forward classes. Okay, so now just we can test the functionality. So network, and I'm giving the IP address. Let's see. See, assignment group is auto populated here. Means user, so the end user don't search for which have. Suppose you can go for the any big organizations means, so related to network department, so many departments will be there. So which department end user need to search is confusing. So we only need to provide. And for this requirement, definitely client will be give you guys. So client will ask, boss, the category should be network, subcategory should be IP address. I need to populate this assignment group only. Category should be database. So subcategory should be MS SQL. I need to populate this database group only, this assignment group only. Okay. So client will be give the requirement clearly. So based on the client requirement, you need to do. Don't take the individual decisions. Client will not accept the things.
And you mean to say all the subcategory data should be getting from the client itself?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And this group, each group need to populate also client will be.
Got it.
Okay. Suppose here, this is our personal instance, guys. So related to network, only one group is there. Or some network cabinets, other group is there. Whenever you can go for the organization, real-time level, so many groups will be there. Network department, some database department. So which group you need to select the end user? So definitely client will give the requirement. Client will tell the things. Okay. This is the assignment lookup rules. Okay. So coming to priority. So here, anybody will be tell how this priority value is getting. Anybody have the idea how this priority value is getting?
Yes, Pandu. It's based on impact and urgency.
Exactly. Okay, based on impact and urgency, the priority value is getting. Suppose I will select the impact is high and urgency is high. See, the priority value will be changed. Suppose impact is high, urgency is medium, the priority value is changed. Impact is high, urgency is low, the priority value is changed. Okay, and see, impact is medium, urgency is medium, the priority value will be changed. See how these value is changing. The backend priority lookup rules are running. Okay, so that's why the value is changing. So can go for the priority lookup rules. Type left navigation as the priority Okay. See here, automatically the setup will be, they will set up the out of box. No need to create any new one. Okay, for everything, the out of box is there here. See, impact one, urgency one, priority should be critical. Okay, impact high, urgency medium, priority should be high. Okay, impact high, urgency is low, priority should be moderate. Let's test this functionality. Impact high, urgency is low, and priority should be moderate. Okay, and see, this one is low and urgency is high, priority should be moderate. Okay, and impact low, urgency medium, priority should be low. Impact low, urgency is medium, priority should be low. Okay, this is the concept of priority lookup rules. Here no need to create any new one because everything they will set up the out of box. Okay, but we need to check that how this priority is calculated by using impact and sensor. But this total configuration is backend priority lookup rules are running. Okay, so that's the reason here priority is calculated. Okay, now you have one question here. Suppose when I select the category and subcategory, I gave these category, subcategory values and assignment group values in the assignment lookup rules. But why the assignment group only populating? Why the other fields are not auto populating here? Why here priority only calculating? Why the other fields are not calculating? And means priority only setting here defaultly, and assignment group only setting here. Why means, so these assignment lookup rules and priority lookup rules are creating the by using data lookup rules. Okay, go for the data lookup rules. So type left hand the data lookup. You can see the under system policy data lookup. Agenda. So here backend data lookup rules are running. Okay, see, you can go for the assignment lookup first of all. Open the assignment lookup. And open the priority lookup. Both are instant table. Okay, see, assignment lookup source table should be incident, match table should be assignment data lookup rule. So mean this is the out of box table, guys. Assignment data lookup. This is the out of box table. Okay, so you can enable all the things. See here, matcher fields is there. Subcategory, CMDB, location, category. Setter fields is there. Assignment groups assigned. So whenever you can select these fields, these values should be auto populating here. So in the setter fields, we give the assignment group. So that's why the assignment group value is setting there. Suppose in the setter fields, you can give the configuration item, means the config item will be setting. In the setter field, you can give some other field. Caller means caller will be setting. But concept wise, here assignment lookup rules means the assignment group needs to be auto populate there. So that's why you can selection of these matched fields, the setter group is setting here. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Same here priority lookups also. So by selection of this impact adjacency, the priority is setting here. Okay, this is the. So that's why the assignment lookup rules and priority lookup rules are running. These data lookup rules on. Okay, suppose they are asking any some modifications, nothing modifications will be there. So these are out of box, no need to change anything because everything is fine here. Suppose anything we need to add some extra field here means just you can go this data lookup definitions and open the assignment lookup and you can do some changes. That's it. Okay. So this is simple, guys. So definitely real-time requirement will become somebody will be asked the interview questions. So every topic, every day, every topic is important. Okay, please remember it. Every day, every topic is important. Okay, so this Saturday test will be there. So I will send the questions to on Friday evening. So you can send me the Word document. You can write the answers and send me the Word document. Okay, on the Saturday evening to me.
Have you already sent that?
No. I didn't
Oh.
send it. I will give you on Friday evening.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
sorry, I misunderstood.
No issue.
Okay.
And next, put the heading as a UI policies. Very important topic. Without UI policies, we can't do the anything. Okay. So every day, not every day, weekly 2 or 3 times, I'm working on the UI policies. Okay, weekly, every week I'm working UI policies. Any requirement will be coming. That much is important for the UI policies. Okay, so yesterday also I did some small requirement by using UI policy. Okay, so write down, put the heading as a UI policy. So important, definite interview question. UI policy, data policy, differences between UI policy, data policy, everything is important. So write down. UI policies are alternate to client scripts. By using UI policy, we can make field mandatory. We can make field mandatory. Read only. Can make field mandatory, read only, and visible. By using UI policies, you can make field mandatory, read only, and visible for the particular conditions.
Did you say invisible?
Yes, yeah, only visible, not invisible. Can make field mandatory, read only, and visible. And visible, not invisible. Only visible.
Got it.
Okay. For particular conditions. For particular conditions. Next. Next. Put that in as a data policies. Data policies are runs on server side. By using data policies runs on server side. By using data policies, we can make field mandatory and read only. Visible option is not there for data policies.
Pandu, sorry, can you repeat again? We can.
We can make mandatory and read only. We can make mandatory and read only. Next, differences between UI policies and data policies. Differences between UI policies and data policies. Difference between UI policy and data policy. Important interview question. Important interview question. So, left side, you can write the differences. Left side UI policies, right side data policies. Left side UI policies, right side data policies. Differences between UI policy, data policies. Left side UI policies, right side data policies. Write down the UI policies, first point. Okay. UI policies runs on client side. First point. UI policies. UI policies runs on client side. So for data policies runs on server side. First point. UI policies runs on client side. Data policies runs on server side. Next, second point. By using UI policies, we can make field. By using UI policies, we can make field. By using UI policy, you can make field mandatory, read only. Mandatory, read only, and visible. Next, data policy. By using data policies, by using UA policies, we can make field mandatory, read only, and visible. Next, data policies. By using data policies, we can make field mandatory and read only. Make field mandatory and read only. Okay. Next, third point. UA policies has limited scope of data. UA policies has limited scope of data.
Limited scope.
Scope of data.
Okay.
Next, data policies has wide range of the data. Data policies has wide range of the data. Okay. Data policies has wide range of the data. Fine. Okay. So UA policies have limited scope of data. Data policies have wide range of the data. Okay. So this is the today's class, guys. Okay. So